forecast with meteorologist Kimberly Newman.
The big weather story heading into Monday is returning snowfall accumulation, another layer piling on top of the snow cover we have out there right now before we get towards some warmer temperatures and a little bit of a melting pattern here towards the end of this coming week and next weekend. 24 degrees tomorrow's high, obviously supporting all snow. So unlike the last event we had out there, there is no transition from rain to ice. This is a straight snowfall event. So the first flake that falls is going to stick to the ground. With that in mind, let's look at when this starts and what that accumulation amount might look like here. At 11 o'clock tonight, you'll see thicker cloud cover on the radar, but no snow yet. I expect snow to arrive on the radar between about 3 and 4 a.m. You'll see it slowly pushing in as we get towards midnight tonight. Snow will be over the northern half of Indiana first before it comes into northwest Ohio. Again, 3 o'clock or so, we're seeing this now starting to bring us those light flakes for parts of Hillsdale, Williams, Defiance, Paulding, and Van Wert counties. Beyond that, pushing in that line from the west. But right away, it starts to break down a little bit here. So Hillsdale's already at the point where it's seeing more scattered snowflakes in just a matter of 2 hours. We're now at 5 a.m. This will impact your morning commute on Monday. But of course, tomorrow being Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we honor the holiday with no school, which means no school buses, no delays, no cancellations. Obviously, you want to keep your boss on speed dial, but there's a good chance you'll have to go to work tomorrow. At the very most, we might see a level 1 issued out there tomorrow. A little bit of a break-in activity here at 6:30. That'll be when meteorologist Allison Peters is here on NBC 24, so you can tune in tomorrow morning for her updates on that active snowfall. Here's what I'm really thinking, though, as we head through the late morning, by about 11 a.m., we start to see this intensity picking up a little bit here. From 11 o'clock to 3 p.m., we will see a time frame of about 4 hours where not only accumulation is likely, but low visibility, slick roadways, all of those things that kind of come together to make this a real winter event. Plus, in the aftermath of tomorrow's snow, we'll see blowing and drifting, which leads us all the way into the day on Tuesday. A lot of light flakes out there. This is a little bit of a drier snow, so not the best for packing that snowball, but the kids can probably still get out there and enjoy a little bit of that snow tomorrow. We've got 4 p.m. here, finishing scattered flakes on the radar, and one last passing band before we head towards drier conditions for your Tuesday. Let's talk about those snow totals. Building first in the west, right along the Indiana-Ohio border. That's as early as 3 a.m., pulling through during the morning commute, but becoming just slightly more intense between that 11 and 3 p.m. time frame. A widespread 2 to 3 inches expected for our area. You can see slightly lighter colors here for our folks that are farther to the east. That's where I might expect closer 1 to 2 inches. But overall, decent amount of snow here for just our quick event, coming in and out in a matter of about 24 hours as we head towards Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're dry for the great majority of this week. Plus, Jamie, obviously here, seeing that warming pattern, I think, has given a lot of people something to look forward to, since we are obviously dealing with those cooler than average temperatures for the better part of this week.
Yeah, we'll get the snow out of the way for now. Thanks, Kimberly.